Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most anticipated sport bikes of the year, the new 2026 Yamaha R9. Known for blending sharp performance with everyday usability, Yamaha's R series has always been a favorite among riders. The 2026 R9 builds on this legacy with refined engineering, aggressive styling, and enhanced technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new R9 more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha R9 arrives with a bold and aerodynamic design inspired by the R1 and 7. The sharper front fascia features redesigned LED headlights and improved air channels that boost cooling and stability. Its sleek fairings and sculpted tank create a more aggressive stance, while new color schemes and lightweight wheels add a modern, race-ready appeal. Overall, the bike achieves a perfect balance of beauty and performance-focused styling. Performance and powertrain. Under the fairings, the 2026 R9 is powered by Yamaha's well-known CP3 890cc inline-triple engine, delivering strong mid-range torque and thrilling acceleration. Paired with an upgraded quickshifter and refined ride-by-wire system, the bike offers smoother and more responsive performance. The improved suspension setup enhances cornering stability, while updated braking components provide confidence for both street and track riders. With optimized weight distribution, the R9 delivers a more planted and precise ride. Safety and technology. Yamaha has enhanced the electronics on the 2026 R9 to match modern sport bike expectations. The full-color TFT display now supports improved connectivity, offering navigation and ride data access on the go. Updated traction control, slide control, and multiple ride modes give riders better adaptability to different conditions. The new ABS calibration improves braking feel, while advanced LED lighting boosts nighttime visibility. The bike integrates Yamaha's latest safety tech to deliver a smarter, safer riding experience. Conclusion. The new 2026 Yamaha R9 stands out as a powerful, stylish, and technologically advanced middleweight sport bike. From its aggressive design to its refined performance and upgraded electronics, it's built for riders who want versatility and excitement in one machine. Whether you're carving corners or enjoying weekend rides, the 2026 R9 promises an unforgettable experience. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, updates, and first looks at the bikes shaping the future of motorcycling.